Hello, welcome to Profil de Page. My name is Laika Jerome, and we are here to celebrate Jacky Photo's accomplishments, his legacy, his career within the Haitian community. To know more of what he has done in the Haitian community and photography, stay tuned. We'll be right back. I know, guys, you guys not go anywhere. You guys want to hear the amazing, passionate story about Jacky Photo and his photography career. We're going to ask him some questions today, and I ask you guys to have your full attention on him. Today's a special night for his legacy and his career. So, Jacky, I want to say good evening, and how are you tonight?
I think I'm feeling very impressed about this interview because I have honored by a lot of people already, but this is more the most important thing to me is that the interview that you are giving me today.
Thank you very much. To start off this night, I would like to ask you, how did you start in the business of photography? What inspired you?
Well, actually, when I first came to New York, 1972, before you were born, actually, and my mother bought a camera for me, and I fell in love with it. And then I went to school. I was at NYU first, and I went straight to German School of Photography, school located at 222 Broadway, Manhattan. And the only thing they do there is photography, and I studied photography. I became professional over maybe 30 years ago. And then I stick to it, and I love the night scene club photography. And I'm just, being there, do my little thing. And I also honor a couple artists. I honored Sweet Mickey, Lionel Pierre, Kenny Altidore, Ali Rivière will be next, and Tipol from Brazil already. And I think these people should be honored before they go home because when you honor somebody, it's recognize them for the job that have been done in this community. And then we're going to go on and honor more as they go along. Thank you.
So our next question is, Jacky, what do you love about photography?
Well, when I came in 1972, like I said again, I graduated from high school. And I went to Queen's College for 2 years, and I was taking an elective course, computer science. As a matter of fact, if I had kept up with that computer science major, if I knew computer would be that much advanced, I would have been a master computer. And right now, give me a computer, I don't know what to do on it because I'm computer illiterate. But give me a camera, I will build the camera and make it come back again to life again, because camera is a passion of me now. I don't go anywhere without having my camera. That's why I make my living. It's like I can learn for photo pour me pay photo, that hurts me. How the hell I'm taking a picture for you don't pay for it? That's not nice. So it's just that, this is also Haitian. We don't appreciate something when we have it. I was alert. 6 months ago, I ended up having a pancreas cancer on my pancreas. And that's when people don't see me for 6 months and they were honoring me. Oh, Jacky, where are you? Where are you? Are we going to be honored by New Look? And it's when you're about to go home to heaven, and that's when they will realize who you were, which is good anyway. Because I'm not going anywhere yet because God loved me. All the prayer that everybody's doing for me, I'm going to live a long life. Okay.
Jacky, I want to ask you, how do you feel about this special event and how people are coming here to celebrate your legacy? How does that make you feel?
I think I'm feeling very flattered because I didn't think of this show at all. As a matter of fact, I was supposed to be on a boat today, and I canceled my plane all together for me to be here with ADB, so who's having the good initiative. Now, Tukman wants to do this for me. I mean, it wasn't my initiative to do this. He called me, Jacky, I'm going to throw a party and then throw the reception into you. I said, okay, I mean, you have to lose some to gain some. Yeah, that's about it.
And the last question I have for you of the night is, what can you tell other photographers out there trying to make it very big like you did, and how you do so good in Brooklyn and a lot of people know you? How could you tell them, what advice can you give them so that they could be big just like you?
Well, it's a matter of principle. When you study something, I don't think nobody could be like me, because Jacky Photo I'm an icon in this business, and I'm the oldest in this business. We have Francia, we have Peter Pouchon. What they do, they're blackmailing me. Sometimes they can have a big event. They know that I don't play in photography. My picture is COD. They pay the producer for me not to come into the party. The producer tell them, I'm sorry, I'm taking your money, but Jacky Photo will always a lot of my show. You understand? So it's just a matter of me being who I am, and I love it.
I want to say, Jacky, thank you for coming here on Profil des Pages tonight, and I hope you enjoy your wonderful night very further, and thank you. To our viewers at Profil des Pages, thank you for viewing this amazing interview with Jacky Photo. Everyone have a wonderful day. Goodbye.
Jacky is a well-respected young man. I call him a young man. Jacky's like a brother to me. He's too young to be my father because I'm probably the same age as you, Jacky. But I'm a very good friend of Mika, his sister. And there's something that really makes me admire Jacky, not because he loves taking my picture. My name is Mona Lisa, and he always makes jokes about my name, Mona Lisa. He always loves to take my picture. But I admire Jacky because of the love that Robert was just talking about, that he has for his mother. This citation is from the New York State Assembly. Whereas Jacky Etienne was born in Haiti and emigrated to the United States in 1970. And whereas Jacky Etienne pursued his education at Queens College, where I teach now. I'm a professor at Queens College, yes. And later earned a degree in photography, which became the platform that allowed him to embrace his passion. And whereas Jacky Etienne, who later became known to many as Jacky Photo, a staple in the community for the endless memories of weddings, communions, reunions, concerts, parties, political events, and rallies captured through his lens. And whereas Jacky Etienne took pride in the work he introduced, including a collage that he created of a rewarding Assemblywoman Michael Solage and the Nassau County Legislator Carrier Solage, and has recognized artists such as Class and New Look, just to name a few. And whereas Jacky Etienne has immersed the work of his craft to help others in the community, now therefore be it resolved that a duly elected official, member of the Assembly of New York, of the state of New York, Rodney Bichat, recognizes Jacky Etienne, AKA Jacky Photo, for remaining an asset. For remaining what? An asset to the community, and using his lens to gift us with memories we will forever hold dear. And as we hold those memories, we will hold you dear, Jacky. We love and appreciate you.
Thank you, Mona Lisa. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you.
Je ne sais pas trop pour me dire. Tout simplement, c'est que moi-même, c'est, comme on a dit ça, je suis un nouveau immigrant, moi, je viens ici et puis je joins mon tanko Jacky, qui a évolué dans une zone. Je n'ai pas vraiment toute histoire, mais excepté que c'est un monde qui est toujours comme moi et puis qui respecter musique, moi, respecter tout comme hustler et puis moi-même tout apprendre de lui, etc. Alors, gros mouvement, c'était, moi, comprendre difficulté ça, surtout Jean Collier, etc. C'est bien malheureux dans la communauté, nous pas gagné un système qui est établi que nous pas obligés de faire des bagages comme ça, que côté que nous toujours nous contribuons ensemble et pour les gros problèmes et puis pour nous peut-être utiliser dans fond ça pour les alors comme ça n'a jamais existé dans la communauté that's ok. Moi-même comme un dissident mais c'est fait ça m'a fait assurer pour Jacky.
Bonsoir tout le monde. Alors je vous remercie d'être ici ce soir avec nous pour célébrer Jacky, et on avait décidé de célébrer Jacky en musique. Et alors vous tous qui sont là, et puis il y a des gens qui sont venus, il y a des gens qui ont donné des donations. Nous avons collecté en tout pour Jacky $1,120. Et ça vraiment c'est bien. Compte tenu qu'il y a d'autres organisations, il y a d'autres, comme on dit, programmes dans la ville, c'est commandable. Alors Jacky. Merci Jacky.
Merci beaucoup, Mimi.
But I truly want to start with myself. I'd like to donate $250. We want to make it 2,000. So I'll make the first $250. I need another person with $250. Would you do the $250? That's another $500. Thank you, brother.
You know, everything that you're doing is moving me. And because of that, I decided to get out of my way and do something special. So we just raised, what, 1,200? 120. I was told this is a cash-only establishment. I'm sorry, I only have a credit card, but I can match that 1,120. Okay? So, and what I'm going to do is that I will, anyone in here who want to match me, please just welcome me and just match it, okay?
On n'a pas voulu by non. $600 pour monde qui parle by non là. Merci beaucoup. Merci.
Alors merci m'a salué nous et Jacky photo t'as là, il t'a dit que dans brasserie créole. Il a célébré la Jacky photo. Si nous pas ta web nous doit mettre que malade ou bien là. Parce que quel que soit côté mieux, Jacky doit faire photo et Dieu seul sait combien qu'on paye le bouillot. Donc si je dis à Jacky en difficulté et n'a célébré la ville, je pense que chaque de nous là te droit go aller en extra miles. Il va demander personne fait ça amis ça autres fait là matcher 1000 ou bien 1500. Mais nous chaque nous capable faire un petit effort en plus. Donc on est journaliste pas un cop pas un cop dans métier. Mais quand même moi-même comme journaliste m'a mis $200 extra sous sac là ça me débaille là et peut-être l'autre nous pas obligé prendre microphone pour nous dire qui ça nous a fait mais ouais ensemble avec peut-être organisateur et puis font petit geste mettons chèque et puis pour Jacky qui a sorti bien parce que ça qui a passé dans cette situation ça faut nous comprendre que et medical bill yo en pile et on est qu'à faire photo son bail que le remet l'a fait c'est pas comme l'a fait la donne il fait toute ville l'a fait c'est moment pour nous remercier et remercier pendant 2 heures d'ouvrir l'a garder nous merci beaucoup
Merci Eden.
Essa aqui já não abri bem, quem vai saber? Cheguei.